Hello students, today we are going to learn the first lesson of internet and email. In the previous video we have already discussed about how to getting connected to the internet, what is internet, all these things. In this video we are going to discuss about www means World Wide Web. As we all know, World Wide Web or www is a collection of all the websites on the internet. All these websites are linked to one another to form a global World Wide Web of information. You have to keep in mind the full form of www. The full form of www is World Wide Web. First topic, web browser. Now let us learn what is web browser. Web browser is a program for getting connected to www and viewing any information on it. Microsoft Internet Explorer is a web browser. Second, web server. A program or computer that stores all websites. Third one, website. What is website? So, a website is a collection of all web pages linked to one another. Fourth one, web page. A single page of information like text, images, sound, video clips on a website is called a web page. As you all know, in a website we have so many pages are there. So single page of that website we can say it is web page. Now fifth one, home page. The first page of a website is called a home page. Whenever we open any website and when we see the first page, this is called home page. 6. Hyperlink. A web address on a web page. It is a shortcut to another web page. It could be an image, picture or text, hypertext also. Next, URL. Universal Resource Locator. It is the address of a website on the internet. 8 number, HTML. Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard coding language used for creating web pages. It is a set of markup codes or symbols that tells the browser how to display a web page. Each markup code is called an element or a tag. Next, URL, Universal Resource Locator. Here, one URL is given to you. In this URL, you can see 4 parts are there. The first part is HTTP, the second part is www, third part is Navneet, and fourth part is .com. The HTTP is called protocol, www is called web, Navneet is host here, and .com is a type name here. Both host and type together are called domain name. URL is the address of a website on the internet. For example, the URL of Navneet Education Limited is given here. http://www.navneet.com is the URL of navneet.com. So let me discuss one by one these 4 parts. First, protocol. Most web addresses begin with http:// means Hypertext Transmission Protocol. The full form of HTTP is Hypertext Transmission Protocol. This protocol sends web pages from the web server to your computer. The letters HTTP are always followed by a colon and 2 forward slashes. Second part, web. Most web addresses have www after http://. Third number, host. This is the name of the website. This name could be the name of a company, business house, news agency, etc. In this example, Navneet is the name of the host. Fourth, type of site. This part of the website tells you what type of site a website is. Here, .com stands for commercial sites. This means that Navneet is a commercial site. The host and the type of the site are together called domain name. In this case, the domain name is navneet.com. Now, let me discuss types of domain names. Domain names are based either on the type of organization or geographical area. Suppose some of the domain names based on the type of organization are as follows. Suppose when we have .com means it is commercial organization. When we have .gov at the end of a link, at the end of the URL, we can say it is government organizations. When we have .org, we can say it is non-profit making organization. When there is .edu, means it is educational institutions. When there is .net, means it is large networks. Second one, based on geographical regions. Some of the domain names based on geographical regions are as follows. .in means it is the URL from India. .au means it is the URL from Australia. .uk means it is from United Kingdom. .us from United States. .cn means China. .jp means Japan. .ca means it is from Canada. So these are the types of domain names. According to geographical areas means country, and according to organization we have learned today. Today we have discussed about www, what is URL. We have also discussed about 4 parts of the URL, what kinds of URL are there. This is you have to learn and read it again and again, so you can understand it better. In next chapter we shall learn how to open Internet Explorer, how to open Google. All these things we shall discuss in next chapter. Till then, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.